जे इश्क है करिया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? There is one song which is getting much popular these days. The song is Sahiba. It's a newly released Hindi song of 2024. This song is beautifully sung by Jasleen Royal and Stephen Ben. Originally the song is in the key of D major, but still we will use a capo to play the song like an original one. Also, before starting with today's tutorial, I would like to mention regarding our live guitar classes. Our new batch is going to start from 2nd January 2025. If you are willing to join our live guitar classes, then you may sign up on our website, which is www.priyadhingra.com, or you may contact us on the WhatsApp number given on your screens. Now, without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications and updates for the upcoming tutorials. Let's start now. Talking about the chords for this song, boys and girls can play similar chords, which is the original scale. You will place the capo on the 7th fret and play the chords G major, E minor, C major, D major, A minor 7. How to play A minor 7? You will use the normal A minor chord and remove your ring finger out of that. This becomes A minor 7th chord. The next chord is B minor 7th. How to play B minor 7th? Just hold the normal B minor chord and remove your little finger out of that. This becomes B minor 7th chord. तो क्या chords हो गए? G major, E minor, C major, D major, A minor 7 and B minor 7. Now the strumming pattern for the song is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. जे इश्क है करिया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा. Most of the times इस song में half rhythm use हो रही है, which is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So down, down you will play on one chord and the rest of the pattern you will play on another chord. So down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. This is called half rhythm between G and D. Similarly, you can play this half rhythm with other chords as well. We will use this rhythm throughout the song. Let's do the song cover now. इश्क है करिया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा. कच्चियां सच्चियां मेरे दिल दी डोरियां भुल के भी तोड़ी ना मूंद के अखियां तेरे संग जो चलियां कल राह ते छोड़ी ना जे इश्क है करिया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा. पूछे ही जान ले मेरा हाल तू माहिया ख्यालों का भी रखता तू मेरे ख्याल तू माहिया. शर्त नहीं ना सवाल कोई है ऐसा इश्क मेरा शर्त नहीं ना सवाल कोई है ऐसा इश्क तेरा. जे इश्क है करिया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा. जे इश्क है करिया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा. I hope you like the song. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. Also, let me know your feedback in the comment section below. You can post your short covers and short videos on our Facebook community page, which is Priya Dhingra Guitar Courses, or on my Instagram handle, which is Dhingraji. The links are mentioned below, you may check out. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye. Wishing you all a very happy new year. इश्क है करया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा. इश्क है करया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तैनू साहिबा.